Hey kids, we're the shapes. Come sing and learn with us.
In a square I have four sides, equal, strong, and steady, always looking regal. You'll find me in tiles, windows, and a box, neat and tiny like building blocks. Rectangle here, I'm long and wide, too short, too long, I'm full of pride. Door screens and books love my form, in every house I'm the norm. I'm a triangle, pointy and proud. Three sharp corners, I stand out in a crowd. Look at rooftops, sails in the breeze, or pizza slices, I'm sure to please. I'm a circle, round and fun, no sharp corners, I love to run. Clocks, wheels, and yummy pie, I'm spinning circles in the sky. Oval's my name, I'm stretched a bit, like an egg or a racetrack where racers sit. Mirrors, balloons, even faces too. I'm curvy and smooth. Shiny diamond, I gleam and glow, like a kite flying high or a ring on show. In patterns and signs, I stand out bright, turning corners with angled might. I'm the heart, full of love and care. In cards, emojis, I'm everywhere, spreading kindness wherever I go. Twinkle, twinkle, yes, it's me, star of the night sky, can't you see? Trophies, badges, tops of trees, I shine with pride and aim to please. Q's my name, I'm boxy and bold. 6 equal faces, strong and cold. I build up walls and stacking fun. In toy blocks and dice, I'm number 1. I'm a cube boy, cousin of cube, but I'm longer like a storage tube. Boxes, bricks, and books on shelves, I help things sit and stack themselves. Cylinder rolling, smooth and round, with 2 flat ends and a curve all round. Cans of soup, pipes and jars, you'll find me in trains and even in cars. I'm a pyramid, sharp and tall, like the ones in Egypt, standing proud and all. I'm intense in roofs, I reach the sky, with the pointy top, I touch so high. Call me sphere, I'm perfectly round, like footballs bouncing on the ground. I roll and spin, I'm fun to throw, in bubbles, planets, I'm the show. I'm a cone with a single point, like ice cream treats that never disappoint. Traffic cones, party hats, that's me, tall and narrow, as you can see. I'm the torus, a circle with a twist, like a donut, or a ring on your wrist. A root with a hole, I'm kind of rare, but in tubes and toys, I'm always there.